So you went to Dartmouth. That's like so far on the East Coast. Like, what were some challenges that you had, like being so far away from Hawaii?
It was cold. My freshman winter, it got down to minus 33 degrees.
Damn.
One day with the wind chill. Yeah, that was crazy. But it was cool because I knew it wasn't like a life sentence to the cold and being far away. It was just something that I got to experience for 4 years. I also took 2 winter terms off. Dartmouth has like a unique quarter system that allows you to take terms off without falling behind academically. So I studied abroad in New Zealand for 1 winter, which is summer there. So that was perfect. And then I took 1 winter quarter off. So I was really only there for 2 winters. And then community was the biggest thing. My freshman year, there was only about 8 or 9 students from Hawaii at Dartmouth. And then by the time my senior year came around, there was like 53, 54 of us.
Oh, wow.
So the community really grew. They have a very strong native program there that I didn't really tap into until like junior year. But it was nice to know that we had a group text with all the Hawaii kids, and it wasn't like they had to be your primary friend group, but we all knew that we had each other. So my freshman year, we like re-established Hokupa'a, which was our Pan Pacifica club at Dartmouth. And that was a group that continued to grow. And then we started doing luau and Mayday and all kinds of other activities. So that definitely helped with the homesickness.